Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and as much as I like this canvas I did my first year, it's a 6x6 by 2 inch and I want to play. So I'm going to take some pillow paint and do that. My pillow paint in particular is semi-gloss white from Color Place. It's just house paint. I have Prizm pour paints. I'm going to start with some Maiden Black. Am I? Maybe I'm not. Maybe I'll be moving on. I'll put some Mayan gold down there. That'll make me feel better. And I have cerulean blue. And I'm going to use my pink carnation with that. Oh, top came off. And I'm being called to some of my Tuscan Sun that has a little bit of orange unicorn spit in it. Color made up before my orange crush came, which is awesome. I have just done a couple of rainbow pieces, so I'm in rainbow mode. And I want to just try some of the black raspberry. And I want to get down and get funky and get weird and get green with that. Tempted by a little Tuscan Sun. And I haven't used any pink diamond today, but maybe I'd be better off with a little bit of frosted, as weird as that might seem. I'm going to turn that around since I don't seem to be as level as I'd like to be. Can I do this without the frozen? I cannot. I need some frozen. And I am going to put down some white cell activator, which is Floetrol with Amsterdam white in it. And then some black, which could be purple. I'm going to lean in and blow. Actually, I could do that with a... No, I'm going to lean in and blow. That's pretty cool so far. I'm going to take any of my drips that are going over the edge and move them around. Maybe bring a straw in. I'm very spoiled. I don't necessarily like doing things with pillow paint, mostly because they don't dry fast enough for my less than patient self. I'm going to use a little bit of Master's Touch from Hobby Lobby and Floetrol. Scrape that off because paint will flow to paint, so I'm happy to use it. This is really pretty. I'm going to do that again. And I might want to tip it. Wipe off my tool and or throw it in the bucket. Might do a little more blowing or some dragging. Oh yeah, perfect. I am trying to teach myself that I have some time to add some spirals and things. And as long as it's small, the skewer works pretty well, dragging some paint to cover the edges. Because in my mind, I'm just going to waste it anyway when I pour it away. And I know for a fact I can use some of that paint. It works better when I'm not using pillow paint to try and cover the edges with it. That is gorgeous. I don't even want to tip it. You know I don't want to tip it. You know I have to too. Wait, I want a picture. And I can do that. Let's have a beautiful picture. That is the first time I've ever been able to take a picture of a stage. So let's just get down and get messy now. Oh, I don't want any of that to go away. It's so pretty. I can see my purple cell activator is much looser than some of the others. I love all those white cells. I'm really terrible at tipping away paint. This is still going to be very cool. I'm inclined to tell you that I'm going to keep what I've got. Somebody knew that was coming. But the colors are still so good it doesn't matter. I've got a few bubbles. And no matter what, the colors are still going to be beautiful, and I'm pretty sure I'll be happy that I took that picture with my phone. I want some of this paint to do the edges, but you know what? I'm not going to make you wait for that. And I have to pop bubbles with a skewer because I can't heat my painting with a torch when there's latex house paint as a base. I got a little blue heart right in the middle and it's pointed right at you. It's almost Valentine's Day here. Let's put a couple of those spirals back in. I'll work on my edges after you're gone. So, I think I got most of my bubbles. And now, I'm going to try and zoom in. Hope that's in the way. Find my flashlight. Turn it on. That is really pretty. Turn this off. Beautiful colors. Wow! And a fun design. I will get better at tipping, I promise. I'm working on it. I'm trying to do this every chance I get. That doesn't look... That was a bad tool. That didn't hurt anything either. Alright, so I love you guys. I will see you anon. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Know I have 2,400 videos organized by topic and genre and by the 100. And if you need one and you can't find it, please just feel free to ask me. I'll be happy to help you. That heart has become less heart-shaped and more lumpy, so I'm going to do something about it. All right, so thank you guys for the comments that keep my morale boosted, and thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. If you'd like to be in the monthly drawing, you can see the prizes at the beginning of the exhibition video that I've included on the end screen in the last 20 seconds on this video. And what she says. And thank you for all of the donations. I just said that. Yes, I did. And you can find the PayPal link. I'm so distracted by this, I can't tell you. You can find the PayPal icon on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. And you can find a link on the link tree along with Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is for shopping. Society 6, Pixels.com, Fine Art America, you name it, it's on the link tree. And I have a Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students. I hope you can see some of that sparkle. It's so, so pretty. It's cartoon colors, but it's wonderful. All right, so I love you guys. I'm absolutely distracted. I do apologize. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork. If you'd like to make an inquiry, my email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com, and it's right under the link tree. Anything I forgot, just ask me a question in the comments and I'll get back to you. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.